Here we will write a Python program to find length of a string using user defined function. So in comment line we will write. So first we will define function with def keyword find length with one parameter as string. Then inside the function we will declare one variable counter which is initialized with 0, and we will use for loop. For I in str we will increment the counter. So counter equal to counter plus 1, and outside the for loop we will return counter. Then outside the function we will accept string from the user. So str1 equal to input enter string, and we will call the function find length and we will pass str1 as a parameter. Since through this function we are returning the value, so we will call this function with print statement. So print find length. Then we will execute this. I will enter string program. It will print 7. We can write here message also as length of a string, comma find length function. And again we execute this. I will enter program. It will print length of a string as 7.